गाइस देखिए वंश की साइकिल फंस गई गाइस।
तो अपने साइकिल निकाल दे भाई की देखिए मैंने बोलती इसके बाद कार वाली है
मानो की साइकिल भी चल गई।
खुद को अब ले लो मानो टी साइकिल आएगी टिपते भाई की आएगी यहाँ पर होगा ब्लॉग खेलना पड़ेगा। पापा जी मेरे पास जादू है देखो
जादू
पापा जी
गाइस
मेरे
देखिए
पास जादू है
वंश
पापा जी तेरा जादू देखते
देखिए वंश गाइस प्रिंस का जादू।
पापा हेलो
मॉर्निंग टाइम शर्मिला इज डूइंग प्रेयर। Now once have some energy to do their work. Morning time we are taking breakfast here. You can see. Princey. In morning time my wife is making parathas for children. Morning time Princey is doing prayer. The language of Haryanvi English. In Haryanvi English, yes. Now you can see my mother. She is making tea. In new method of making tea. I think. See how my mother is taking food at home because my mother have a different way, very local way to eating food. She is asking about to take a new vlog stick because he is not able to hold mobile. So and he also he will show you some activity through his face expression. Yes, you can see. Yes, you can see his activity. Now Prince is also here. I think Prince, what do you want to say, Betty? Tell me what.
डाउनलोड कर दो
Yes, tell me.
इसमें ना प्ले स्टोर डाउनलोड कर दो डाउनलोड प्ले स्टोर इन दिस मोबाइल
Guys, you can see my daughter is requesting to me for to download Play Store in his mobile, in her mobile. Daughter, I will try my best. Okay. Yes. Guys, you can see my daughter is requesting to download enable Play Store, but I am ignoring because many times she download a lot of applications and they can because you know children click on any app or button and it can be reason of payment deduction because our mobile number is also connected to I'm forgetting words connected to our account. You can see he has what he do. I'm forgetting words, guys. He is doing some. He's curling, guys. He's curling. I got the word, guys. He's curling. He's curling with us. You can see once have a lot of interest of cycling, and he is try to do cycling. Today he has also tried to make vlog. You can see he tried to make vlogs, but he is not able to hold phone. You can see he have a lot of interest in it, and in this you can see it is very warm day and he is doing bicycling and you can see his interest in cycling. You can see guys how he is doing cycling in front of our home. Guys, you can see how is your feeling, guys? Once कैसा लग रहा है बेटा? How is your feeling after cycling? कैसा महसूस कर रहे हो बेटा साइकिल चला के? बढ़िया. Are you tired? क्या तुम थक जाते हो चलाते चलाते? No. He's asking phone. Please give me phone. Mommy is asking about phone. Give me phone. Guys, you can see they have a lot of interest in taking phone. You can see once have wear my chasmas and now you can see how he is looking. Guys, you can see how he is looking. after wearing these chashmas.
वहाँ भी रहा है
Outside there is a lot of warmness due to heat, sun heat. So once you can play inside, you can see once he's repairing his cycle, and now he is sitting on cycle, and you can see his angle, guys. How he have activities. You can see, guys, his activities in front of camera, guys. Guys, you can see in house cycling by once. Now once I've changed the position of the cycle. Yes, beta. Chain is also required in cycle, but this cycle is very old, and we will try to buy next time. No, no. When the cycle is not there, then you can use your legs, beta. Run it via your legs, beta. Guys, you can see how he has hold the cycle and now doing some activity with this old cycle, guys. This cycle is very old, means around 2 to 3 years old cycle, and you can see once activities. Guys, here he is going. I am not getting about it. Following him, guys. Angry on me that why you are not going to market. But in morning time, I have said that I have a lot of work. Now we can go. But that time my mother was saying I will not go. But now she is saying to go, and I have another work this time. Here, my wife is a Shinak of once, because a lot of Shinak come in one's nose, and my wife have a lot of problem because he does not care so much over his noise. You can see I am putting ghee in diva. You can see, guys, I am putting ghee in diva. You can see I am trying to put ghee in diva, guys. Now, guys, I have completed the work, I think, and now you can see our temple of praying. I have time, and with my mother, I am going to market with my mother. Yes, yes, ma. Now we will come. We are going. My wife is making vlog. Guys, you can see Princey is doing some creative things. What is creative in it, Princey? Please explain.
टेबल पर ये डाल रही हूँ ताकि ये थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाए और ये रंग से हो जाए। और यहाँ पर मैंने अलमारी बना रखा है। अलमारी, दिस इज चेयर, दिस इज बेड, दिस इज टेबल, दिस इज माय डोर।
Now we have planned to go to market and purchase some needy things. I have made some another plan with my mother, but now that plan was cancelled, and now we are going with Princey. Princey, are you ready?
Yes.
Speak in Haryani English. Yes.
Yes.
Guys, my wife gave me banana.
Meaty.
Say to
meaty.
now Princey is ready to go to market, and we are also going to market. You can see we are sitting on our scooty. My wife also joined, and we are sitting on scooty and going to market. We are at Ganna juice shop. Here we will drink Ganna juice. Princey. Guys, now I will show you Princey creativity. Let's see. Guys, in evening time, once he is doing his homework.
ये गलत है, देखिए अमेरिकी ठीक है, ये गलत है, इसके ऊपर गलत करना है, ये भी गलत है, फ्री सब ठीक है, ये बुक मत देखो।
Guys, see how he is reading, doing
ये
study.
ठीक है, ये पढ़ो अब, ये टिक वाले से ही खिलाफ है ना, क्या ये
This is
ये क्या
type
पढ़ो?
of ones to do study at home.